down. Get rid of your top weight. Why we put the wedge line in. All right, shut her down. Yeah, it sucked it right off the spool. All of it. Yep.
Yeah, that's why you should always just suck it in all the way.
Yep.
Yeah, you shouldn't just leave it off to the side. Yeah, man. You gotta suck it in all the way. You can't just leave it off to the side because then a branch can grab it.
So this is why you should, at least retract the cable all the way to this point where at least this is dangling. Not much is going to grab it from that point, or you can connect it to that support there. But you don't leave it hanging on the side because branches can grab it and pull it in, and then you got carabiners going through your drum. You got a bunch of line that can get clogged up in there, and it's just hard on the equipment, slows the process down. Yep, just one of those things. It's a nice, well, I hope somebody learns from our mistake. So, there you go, people.
Hey fellers, if you enjoyed that video, be sure to click the link in the description below to watch the full episode on my main channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.